live from USA, hoping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today we will be looking at VECHAIN, VET, to the BTC on a 343 to answer the question, should you buy VECHAIN? So if that's something that interests you and you want to make some money with the boss, stay tuned. Let's get it.
Like a boss.
Thank you for joining me, everybody. As I mentioned, April 28th, 2020. This is VECHAIN, a live price analysis with some relevant crypto trading information I think you will find useful. In the mean and between time, please know that we do have a free Telegram group, which was just open, I believe, last month. There is a link in the description for you. If you choose to join it, it's 100% completely free. And I think there's a lot of great information, a lot of great useful traders in there just trying to help you make some money. So again, if you're just getting set up and you want to learn how to make money in the market, feel free to join that Telegram group. In addition to that, I do have a trading methodology that I've developed called the Boss Method. If you want to learn more about that, just type in how to chart like a boss onto Google and watch the few first videos in that playlist. You will be well on your way to making some money. And last but certainly not least, make sure you subscribe to this video, to this channel, to this community. It does not exist without you. So let's go ahead and make some money. Here we go, man. VECHAIN Thor, they just released an update to their ecosystem, to their blockchain called Thor. I remember when this was in development and it was talking, they were talking about this for quite some time. But essentially, and they do have like this one video on here. I tried to download it and screenshot it and all that. And I wasn't able to like get a good sound, but if you want to watch their little promo video, it's kind of cool, talking about all the amazing things that they are looking to do. When you really just check out the white paper, right? VECHAIN's vision, almost like Satoshi's vision. One thing they specialize in, it says VECHAIN believes that blockchain technology is one of the foundations of the next generation of information alongside emerging technologies such as AR, VR, AI, IoT, 5G. What is IoT? Internet of Things. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, and 5G. With the technology's immutable and tamper-proof characteristics, blockchain as an infrastructural technology is uniquely positioned to enable unprecedented value and data transfer among a wide set of users in a trustless manner. Notice they use all those keywords that blockchain enthusiasts adhere to, right? Boosting the efficiency and authenticity of information transfer itself. Essentially, they will be a data processing system for these next generation technologies. And this is huge. I remember when I went to Notre Dame, they talked about the Internet of Things. That was like the only one. And maybe a little bit of augmented reality. I think that Pokemon Go video game that came out, they weren't talking about 5G back then. They really weren't talking about AI back then. They didn't have neural net and Elon Musk. They weren't the built up puppets that they've become to be. And so, VECHAIN is essentially going to be the major backer that builds a lot of these utilities and infrastructures and next generation telecommunication devices on the blockchain. Something you need to know, right? And so that's their business model, right? And then they talk a little bit about the specifics and the semantics. I won't get too much into that. The biggest thing you should note are, should you buy it and will it make money, right? This is what the chart looks like. Let's jump over to VET, to the USD. Now, if you look at the monthly, this thing has just gotten kicked in the chest since it came out back in 2008. Now, granted, it wasn't exactly, actually 2018, I'm pretty sure like the market was up. What did Bitcoin do 2018? Let me jump back here. Yeah, the market was up. 2018. Yeah, down 2008. Yeah, that was bad. That was 2017. We got that big run. Into 2018, we dropped pretty big. So I don't think it's necessarily to VECHAIN's detriment that the price kind of just has sucked. It's literally been sucked from itself in the early part 2018. But the biggest thing to note is that, you know, we're not really making lower lows. And this is what a lot of people talk about when you try to find like the bottom of a trend. You know, you kind of, and even if you did like a Fibonacci extension from this low to this low, you know, you get this bottom right there, right? And so essentially we're out of that downtrend, and once you get back above it, you know, you kind of break out of it. And so over time, this thing has, once it made a low, it will come back above, have a nice little bounce, and start to make some money. And when we zoom in on a smaller scale, again, this is the 343, and this is the boss method. I try to teach this to people. I'm very good at doing one thing, that's figuring out how to help you make some money. So if you appreciate this insight, go ahead and click that red button, join the money team, come on in, the doors are always open. This is the part of the chart that interests me the most. First of all, in order to confirm this floor, there you go right there, that shows you that we have had exhaustion of that drop. That's basically how you freestyle on a Fibonacci right there, break down, and you get this as your little confirmation floor, right? And now we're ready to make some money. So let's jump into it. Let's go down to a 77 and see what this thing looks like inside the month of April. You can see right now that we are trading above this 3-2. Actually, let's take this off. Let's delete this. And now we can freestyle on this Fibonacci right up in here. That's all right. It's not bad. I think it might be going to this one though. Yeah, look at that. That's the one that it's going to. Okay, so here you go. As long as VeChain is above this price right here, then it will continue to go higher. This is basically your stop loss, right? And right now that price is about 0037. That's your stop loss. So as long as we're above that price, then the trend stays up, right? Right now we're pretty good above it. We're between a 2.2 and a 2.6. When we want to look to see what turbulence we've had on that side, that's when this comes up. So I would like to see VeChain get above this price, right? It hasn't done it yet. It wants to, but it hasn't done it yet. And this price is about 45, right? Once we get above that price, then essentially we'll be running to this next area of congregation on the left hand side. And notice that agrees completely with this capstone right at the 4.2 to 4.6, right? So essentially once we break this level, that's when you'll see VeChain take a major surge and probably head all the way up there. It hasn't done it yet, right? Right now, we're literally just kind of squeezing through the 2.2 to 2.6 to try to keep moving higher. It's going to need some major market activity to push through that level. And I think it might have just had it. This is what was just published, compliments of Cointelegraph, April 26th, H&M targets ethical consumers with blockchain traceability. Essentially, H&M and VeChain have partnered to develop sustainability products on the blockchain, right? Let's see what they have. Clothing items can have a non-fungible token pairing generated at the point of sale, providing any owner with a token proving authenticity and immutable record of ownership. Essentially, when they scan that piece of clothing, it's called the what it is called, SKU, right? The store, SKU, store level data. When they scan that price tag and you pay for it, they can lock that purchase in on the blockchain. They can track it back to the infrastructure, their logistics, their distribution system, supply and demand, dynamic pricing. You get all of these possibilities that never really existed, even point of sale marketing, retargeting. I used to work for one of the largest retailers in the world, especially here in America, one of the largest real estate owners for domestic retail in America, in San Francisco. Name begins with a G and rhymes with rap. And this was one of the things that we talked about at the time. was how do we get this SKU level data from the store all the way back up through the ecosystem? Well, the blockchain makes it very, very easy to do that. And VECHAIN has just partnered with one of the largest retailers in America and one of the largest demographics, like young, conscious consumers, right? Who drink Starbucks and have blonde hair and blue eyes. That's kind of the golden goose right there when it comes to American marketing, right? And so this could be big news. This could be the news that you need, the response that you see that pushes VECHAIN up higher into this higher threshold level. Another thing I wanted to talk about is acquiring this coin. You can see on CoinMarketCap right there. Oh, but by the way, it says Crypto.com, the syndicate. This is a little banner that they have for Crypto.com. Let's click on that. Let's see what happens. Bam! You get the VECHAIN listing. It says 50% off right now. And this sale ends in 13 hours. So this is happening right now, today, right? And that's why I'm uploading this video right now, this morning. It's ongoing right now. 50% off of VECHAIN on the Crypto.com platform. These guys are one of the featured partners of this channel. So essentially, by buying VECHAIN on the Crypto.com platform using their token, you get half off. You know what I'm saying? You buying this thing at half the price. It's crazy. It's crazy. And they're putting up, I think, $500,000 in allocation, right? So again, 13 hours. This is today only that this is happening. They've done it with Ethereum. They've done it with Bitcoin Cash. They did it with Tezos. All the major players, these guys have literally paid you to partner with them. And you can see this lines up pretty good with the news, and it lines up pretty good with the charts. This is an uptrend, and I think this syndicate event with Crypto.com will definitely supplement the charts in driving the price higher. So again, if you want more information on this, I will have a link in the description right there. It's called the syndicate, Crypto.com. And if you want to actually sign up for their debit card, they have one of the best customer facing blockchain based financial instruments, I believe, in the world. Crypto.com is available as a promotion on Boss of Bitcoin. The front loaded debit card that they have, you can just use the referral code BK for a free $50 promotion. Click that link right there, that green card, and type in BK, right? And when you go through the whole setup and receive your debit card, you will get $50. I will get $50, and we go keep this money train on wheels and keep on rolling, right? And so also, I think this is a great time to really get situated in the market and to start making some real deal money. As I mentioned to you, I do have communities, free trading communities available. The Telegram group is there. #1 Bitcoin group in the world is there. This YouTube channel is one of them. But if you want to actually put down 2 and pick up 6, so to speak, if you want to actively trade and be a part of a dynamic, eclectic community that does the same and makes money together, well, these 2 options at the bottom of the page right here are for you. The profit package, the top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days. I'll tell you a secret, VECHAIN will be on that list next week. I'm putting a new list out in 3 days on Friday. VECHAIN is going to be on that list. And then we have the VIP trading group. Bam! Boss alert messages. This is for my, my baby sharks in the ocean just trying to take a chunk out of a whale. Put down 2 and pick up 6. Literally $200 for the first month, $250 after that. And we have a active group, guys. We make money in that group. This is live limit, stop losses, dynamic trade, and portfolio allocation. Whatever you need to make money in the market, I'm gonna do it for you in that group. And I'm very good at doing what I do. So thank you again to VECHAIN, H&M, the powers that be behind the scenes for materializing real world value on the blockchain. And I encourage you, check out the syndicate. If you're interested in VECHAIN, you might as well get it for half off. You know what I'm saying? You got about 12 hours left. By the time this video published and run through YouTube's algorithm and Big Brother approve it for you, you got about 12 hours. So there you go, everybody. With that being said, it's that time of the day signing out. Boss, boy BK, no matter where you stay. Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button for a player one time. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh. Arms.
like a boss.